To capture slow shutter photos in a bright environment without an ND filter, you can use the OM-1 camera's Live ND feature. To access the feature, your camera mode dial should first be on S or M mode. Then press Menu and go to Shooting menu number 2. Select Live ND Shooting and press OK. Press OK again and select On. Now you can change the ND number to best suit your photo idea. ND2 imitates a 1-stop lower exposure, and ND64 is 6 stops lower exposure. If the light is bright, you might want to try out with the higher settings first. Turn on the live simulation to see the slow shutter speed effect in your live view and help you visualize how much of a slow shutter effect you'll get in your image.